Listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you might completely change how you see money forever. Most people will work for money their entire lives, but a group of small people will make money work for them. And the difference is simple: they understand investment vehicle, not hustle, not motivation, but vehicles. So in this video, I am going to break down the top 5 investment vehicles that can realistically make you rich, even if you are starting broke. And number 3, that one is what separates the wealthy from everyone else. If you are serious about building wealth, not just making money, hit the like button and stay to the end, because this is not theory. This is how money actually multiplies. Let's get into it. Number 1, stock ownership in companies. Most people think the stock market is gambling. That's why they stay broke. But smart people, they treat stock as ownership. When you buy stock, you are not trying your luck. You are buying a piece of a business. And here is the secret: the richest people don't trade, they hold. Because over time, strong companies grow. And when they grow, your money grows with them. Don't chase hype. Invest in value and give it time. Wealth in stock is not built overnight, but it is one of the most consistent wealth builders in history. Number 2, real estate. That's cash flow plus appreciation. Real estate has created more millionaires than almost anything else. Why? Because it pays you in 2 ways. Number 1, monthly income, that's rent. Number 2, long-term increase in value. So while others are paying rent, you could be collecting rent. Now, here is the twist most people miss. You don't need to start big. You can start small. Even with partnership, land banking, or shared ownership. The goal is not just to own property. It is to own income-producing property. Number 3, businesses. That's the fastest wealth multiplier. Let me be honest with you. If you want to build wealth fast, this is the vehicle. A business is the only investment where you control the outcome, you control the income, and your returns are unlimited. That's why almost every billionaire owns a business. Now, here is where young people get it wrong. They wait until they have money to start. That's very wrong. You start with skills, value, and solving problems. Social media has made it easier than ever. Digital products, services, e-commerce, and content creation. One successful business can change your entire life. Number 4, digital assets. That's the new money game. This is where the world is going, and most people are sleeping on it. Digital assets include things like YouTube channels, online courses, websites, and personal brand. They are assets that can make you money 24/7, even when you are asleep. Think about it. You create content once, and it keeps paying you for years. That's leverage. And in today's world, attention is currency. If you can build attention, you can build wealth. Number 5, yourself. That's the ultimate investment. This one is the most underrated, but is the most important, because every other investment on this list depends on you, your mindset, your knowledge, and your discipline. If you don't invest in yourself, you will mismanage money, you will miss opportunity, and you will quit too early. But when you invest in learning, you increase your earning power forever. Books, skills, and mentorship, that's where it starts. So let's recap. Number 1 is stock, slow and steady wealth. Number 2 is real estate, cash flow and growth. Number 3 is business, fastest path to riches. Number 4 is digital assets, modern leverage. Number 5, yourself, the foundation of everything. Now, here is the truth most people won't tell you. You don't need all 5 to start. You just need one, and consistency. The difference between rich and broke is not luck. It's the vehicle you choose and how long you stay in it. If this opened your eyes, subscribe right now, because I am breaking down money, businesses, and real life strategies every week. And tell me in the comments, which investment vehicle are you starting with? Let's build. Thank you.